डियर लविंग स्टूडेंट्स, मोटिवेट योर सेल्फ फॉर विक्टोरी। कौन कहता है कि आकाश में सुराख नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछालो यारो। इस लॉकडाउन की स्थिति में अपने असफल विचारों को दफना दें और जीत के विचारों का स्वागत करें। नाउ लेट अस एक्सपेंड द हॉरिजन ऑफ लर्निंग in the field of agriculture resource. In the previous video clip, you have understood about the meaning of agriculture, variety of crops, and so many other information. In India, variety of crops are grown due to variation in climatic condition, due to variation in soil fertility, due to variation in man-made factors or physical factors. Food crops, beverage crops, fiber crops, cash crops are grown in our country into different regions. These all variety of crops are grown in India in different regions. These all crops are coming under the agricultural cropping pattern. Cropping pattern in India is divided into three parts. They are known as the Kharif crops, Rabi crops and Zaid season. Rabi crops sown in the winter from October to December and harvested in summer. Rabi crops requires minimum temperature at the time of sowing and maximum temperature at the time of harvesting. Major Rabi crops are wheat, barley, gram, mustard, pulse, etc. And they are mostly grown in the western margin of India. But Kharif crops begins in our country after the arrival of southwest monsoon. With the onset of monsoon, it begins in the different corner of the country. Kharif crops requires maximum amount of rainfall, maximum temperature at the time of sowing, but minimum temperature and minimum rainfall is required at the time of harvesting. Major Kharif crops are paddy, maize, jowar, bajra, moong, urad, cotton, jute, groundnut and soybean. These are the major example of the Kharif crops, and their major producing areas in our country, they are Bihar, West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, etc. Now, other agricultural cropping pattern known as the Zaid season. Between Kharif and Rabi season, there is a short season known by the Zaid season. Some of the crops produced during Zaid are known as muskmelon, watermelon, cucumber, vegetable and other fodder crops. So in this way, today in the agriculture pattern, agriculture season, you have understood about the details of Kharif, Rabi and Zaid season. In the next video clip, I will describe other information regarding agriculture resource. Thank you very much.